Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. If you thought 2024 was groundbreaking, wait until you see what's coming in 2025. Today, we'll explore 3 mind-blowing AI innovations that are set to reshape our world. And the third one is so powerful that some fear it could become a serious threat to humanity. Stick around until the end to find out why. The first AI breakthrough of 2025 might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality: quantum artificial intelligence. But what does this mean exactly? Until now, artificial intelligence has relied on traditional supercomputers, but with quantum computing, processing power increases exponentially. This means that problems that would take thousands of years to solve with today's computers could be solved in seconds. Where will it be used? Medicine. AI simulations will discover new treatments in days instead of years. Finance. Predicting market crashes with pinpoint accuracy. Cybersecurity. Unbreakable encryption powered by quantum AI. Google and IBM are already racing to develop this technology, and experts predict that by 2025, quantum AI will be integrated into major industries. Imagine a world where computers think at speeds beyond human comprehension. Exciting? Terrifying? Let me know in the comments. The second AI breakthrough of 2025 might be a little unsettling. We're talking about autonomous AI, meaning robots and systems that can make decisions without human input. Until now, AI has mostly been a tool, performing specific tasks under human supervision. But now we're seeing the rise of autonomous robots that can analyze situations and choose the best course of action, just like a human would. Real-world applications in 2025. Medicine, AI-powered surgical robots performing operations without a doctor. Transportation, fully autonomous cars making real-time decisions on the road. Military, AI-driven drones that operate without human control. One of the most advanced humanoid robots today is Figure 01, developed by a robotics company challenging Tesla's dominance in the field. Soon, these AI-powered robots could become personal assistants or even companions. But this raises a big question. How much control are we willing to give to AI? Could we become too dependent? And finally, the third AI innovation of 2025 might be the most disruptive of them all: ultra-advanced generative AI. We've already seen AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney creating text, images, and even music. But in 2025, AI-generated content will be indistinguishable from human work. Game-changing applications, Hollywood and the music industry. AI-generated movies and songs that feel human-made. Hyper-realistic deepfakes, AI-generated people that look and act 100% real. Automated journalism, news articles written instantly by AI. Imagine a future where you can ask an AI to write and direct a personalized movie just for you. Or worse, where AI can replicate your face and voice perfectly, making it impossible to tell real from fake. But this also raises serious ethical concerns. If AI can create everything, what happens to creative jobs? These 3 AI breakthroughs are already reshaping our world. And over the next few years, we might see changes beyond anything we can imagine. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI innovations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And now tell me, which of these AI breakthroughs excites or scares you the most? Drop a comment below. Like this video if you want more AI content. Subscribe to never miss future tech updates. Watch this next video for more AI discoveries.